Gold against US dollar has risen in value. We can see after the previous week has closed here with this candle, with this bullish breakout. I have shared information that I am expecting the price will reach higher price levels, and this is what has happened. The price continued to rise in value for the first 3 days, reaching 3039.76 and also making a bullish breakout, trying to move to 3062.77, and in the last 2 days the price returned back down, forming a bearish breakout below area of this support, and we can see it is currently also a bearish breakout below this area of trend line, which is a support. Weekly time frame shows me that the price has formed a bullish candle. We can see that here, and we have a large wick on the upper side where the price has reached a very close this area of resistance, 3062.77, and that is daily time frame. Monthly it is still bullish oriented because all the weekly time frames are bullish candles, so we can see how this looks. The price is currently in the bullish mode. We have one more week, just a minute. We have one more week until this month closes, so will the price manage to go even further down, going below 2857? I'm not so sure that the price will manage to go all the way to return this and become a bearish candle. So I think this month will close as a bullish month, but we'll see how the price will behave next week. Weekly time frame doesn't show me anything except that we are still in the bullish mode and the price is between this resistance and the support level. But the daily time frame shows me much more clear information, where I can see it is a bearish momentum that is pushing the price down, and we can see the 4-hour time frame is at the resistance level. So currently the daily time frame shows me is a bearish candle at the small support level because of this trend line, which is acting as a support now, and we can see the price has reached the first support level on the daily, which is 3000. We can see that on the 4-hour time frame it is 3044 on the 4-hour time frame much more clearly, and it is currently at the resistance level. We can see that. Will the price manage to go even further up, managing to go above 3025.90, which will return the price above and back inside this back inside this range area, which will be a neutral area. This is something that we need to watch closely. So for now, for the gold, I'm not bullish and bearish oriented. I will wait outside of the market to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance and the support, and after that we will see how the price will behave. Will it continue to rise in value, or it will return back down? But because of the momentum, we can see that here, and it is a bullish momentum, I am more inclined to see the price moving higher, but there are also bearish signs currently on the market, and especially the daily time frame, which is currently shows me a bearish breakout below area of the support, where the price could return back above, reaching this area of resistance 3025.90 and also 3039.76, and then return back down again. This is something that we need to watch closely on the daily basis, and also 1-hour time frame, which is also a very important one. It is something that I will share inside the premium analysis with the traders. So for example, this is a bullish breakout. Currently the price is heading to 3025.90. This is the target on the 1-hour time frame that I am currently expecting the price will reach, and then from here we will watch what happens around this area of resistance. So for now, the best is to wait outside of the market, wait for the Monday to start, and then see where is the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame the breakout happens. Where is the potential future direction? If you would like to receive these updates for 1-hour time frame, where the price goes, for example, in this was shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. This was a bullish breakout targeting the area of resistance here. We can see the price tried to move up. It was profitable, and then the price returned back down because of strong movement on the market. Something has happened, and this was also shared inside the premium analysis. If you would like to receive these updates when the price forms a bearish or bullish breakout, for example this bearish breakout with the target here, feel free to check the link below in the description. You can join also to receive these updates. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.